Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I'm an ethical hacker serving since 2017. Today's video is all about CVV and DAMS website reviews. We'll be diving into latest CC and DAMS website and giving you some insights on a few popular ones. But before we jump in, let me know in the comment section what kind of website you'd love to see reviewed next. For those who are new to CVV and dump stuffs, this video can be helpful to justify legit, user-friendly and effective CVV and dump store. They can also help you decide which website is trustworthy and deliver live CC and dumps. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first one in the list is intcc.cx. They have a mobile-friendly and fast-loading website. Just register an account and activate your account by depositing, and you are good to go. The deposited amount can be used to purchase CVV and dumps. The second one has a dynamic design which is named as acvv.cc. You can simply register an account and log in. This one also requires deposit by adding funds from here. Though you can view a lot of CVV and dumps, but the full features and functionality are available after successful activation via deposit. You can deposit via Bitcoin, Litecoin, USDT, Dutch, and many more. The third one is specifically best for dumps, known as usdumps.ru. They don't only provide high-value dumps, but also offer them at a very low price. You can just simply activate your account by depositing either by scanning this QR or depositing at the unique wallet address provided. As a bonus, the last but not the least, easycashout.cc. They sell CVV and dumps along with PayPal transfer. You can directly buy by paying them with Bitcoin. Just click on buy now and just click any of the product you want, and the delivery usually takes 2 to 3 hours after successful payment. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments which website did you like. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. For those who want to learn more about CVV and dumps, connect me via Telegram. My Telegram ID is given in the description. Stay tuned. Bye bye.